Hello and welcome. Some time back I was experiencing an issue on a new laptop that keys sometimes wouldn't type. Usually this isn't a mechanical issue, but a software issue. In this video I'll show you how to hopefully fix this problem. First we start with checking the settings for sticky keys and filter keys. To do this, click on the Windows search bar and type in Settings. Click on Accessibility on the left side of the menu. Scroll a bit down and click on Keyboard. Here you want to make sure that both sticky keys and filter keys are turned off. If that didn't work, the next thing to try is updating or reinstalling the keyboard drivers. To do this, click on the Windows search bar and search for Device Manager. Click on it. Click on the expand arrow next to Keyboards. I recommend to immediately uninstall the device and not to bother with update. Right-click on your keyboard and select Uninstall Device. Click on Uninstall. When you uninstall, you need to reboot your PC. Windows automatically reinstalls the keyboard driver. The last method is the most likely solution for the more complex keyboard issues. Click on the Windows search bar and type in CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In CMD, type in the following command: sfc /scannow. This scans all protected system files. It detects missing or corrupt files and replaces them with cached backup files. It can probably take around 5 minutes to complete. If you are still struggling with your keyboard not always typing each letter, there is one more command to try. Type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /RestoreHealth. This is similar to the sfc command, but it downloads the files directly from Microsoft to restore corrupt files. This can take a bit longer to complete. Hopefully you have a working keyboard once more that types every letter. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.